Welcome to this ESG Lab Video Summary. Over the next few minutes, I'll be reviewing the results from a recently completed ESG Lab validation of the QLogic FabricCache 10,000 series adapter. Solid-state storage continues to play a major role in many storage infrastructures, and it's no surprise that ESG research shows SSDs within an external storage array to have the highest implementation percentage. The surprising part is that a nearly identical percentage of end users are leveraging SSDs within a server connected to an external storage array as extended cache, memory, or primary storage. With that in mind, QLogic has introduced the FabricCache 10,000 series adapter, combining fiber channel connectivity with enterprise-class PCIe flash technology. The adapter fits in any server's PCIe slot to help accelerate and scale application performance, while reducing I/O latency through data caching with flash memory. The adapter brings transparent, shared caching to data centers, enabling acceleration to virtually all applications on the SAN. ESG Lab performed hands-on evaluation and testing of the QLogic 10,000 series adapter, with the goal of showing the database performance improvements and cache effectiveness organizations could expect in single-server and multi-server environments. The first phase of testing focused on the performance efficiency of an adapter in a single server environment. A server containing a FabricCache adapter was connected to 3 different storage arrays through a fiber channel switch. We measured OLTP performance as the concurrent user count increased from 1 to 250. Peak performance was reached at a concurrent user count of 50 with only 30% of the database size covered by the adapter's cache. This proved to be a 7 times performance improvement when compared to using a standard Fibre Channel HBA and storage array. The second phase of testing looked at the performance benefits of using a FabricCache adapter in a multi-server environment. Each of the 4 servers was associated with a specific LUN from the storage array. Using the same OLTP workload, we compared using no cache with using 30% cache coverage, similar to where we saw peak performance in the single server environment. At a 100 concurrent user count, we witnessed linear performance scalability as each server was added to the environment. We also saw an impressive 22 times performance benefit when leveraging the FabricCache adapter in the 4-server environment. The final phase of testing focused on the performance agility of a FabricCache adapter when accessing data from a local cache compared with a remote or SAN cache. The primary data set was stored in Server 1's FabricCache adapter, which meant when Server 1 accessed the data, it was considered a local cache operation. When Server 2 accessed the data, it was considered a SAN cache operation, as Server 2's FabricCache adapter had to access Server 1's FabricCache adapter over the SAN. Using the same OLTP workload, we saw that as the concurrent user count increased from 100 to 350, the performance impact of using the SAN cache as opposed to the local cache remained a manageably low 10% difference in IOPS, still resulting in an over 7 times performance improvement over non-cached operations to the storage. This local versus SAN cache test truly demonstrates how all servers benefit in a multi-server environment. Multi-server and clustered environments are especially difficult to accelerate performance. Most require additional software and configuration as well as cache coherence, resulting in additional management, risk, and therefore complexity. FabricCache's transparent shared cache capability enables all servers to access a common cache at nearly the same speed as a local cache hit. So why does all this matter? In today's data centers, mission-critical Tier 1 application workloads require faster performance. Current solutions lack all the requirements to create perfect harmony between clustered servers and complex business applications. With the goal of reaching the highest levels of efficiency, organizations are looking for solutions to improve server performance, increase VM density, free up network bandwidth, and maximize I/O performance for demanding application workloads like OLTP. The FabricCache adapter offers a cost-efficient solution that plugs into an existing infrastructure without the need to change anything else. Organizations can consolidate their infrastructures by combining a Fibre Channel Adapter and SSD caching solution to simplify I/O management through transparent, server-based caching across clustered servers and applications. By leveraging their deep knowledge of networking technology and combining it with the benefits of flash technology, QLogic introduces the new FabricCache 10,000 series adapter, a highly effective server-based caching solution that enables organizations to meet the strict performance requirements of mission-critical enterprise applications. If you'd like to learn more, you can download the full ESG Lab validation report from the QLogic website.